I am 12 years old. I live in Sultan Gazi, Istanbul. My school name is Şehi Furkan Doğan İmam Secondary School. My teacher name is Rümeysa Çınar. I like to computer games. Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Şevval. I am 11 years old. I live in Sultan Gazi, Istanbul. My school's name is Şehit Furkan Doğan İmam Hatip Secondary School. My teacher's name is Rümeysa Çınar. I like singing. Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Ravza. I am 10 years old. I live in Sultan Gazi, Istanbul. My school's name is Şehit Furkan Doğan İmam Hatip Secondary School. My teacher name is Rümeysa Çınar. I like playing volleyball. Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Sümeyye. I am 11 years old. I live in Sultan Gazi, Istanbul. My school's name is Şehit Furkan Doğan İmam Hatip Secondary School. My teacher's name is Rümeysa Çınar. I like painting. Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Sahra. I am 11 years old. I live in Sultan Gazi, Istanbul. My school's name is Şehit Furkan Doğan İmam Hatip Secondary School. My teacher's name is Rümeysa Çınar. I like to study. Happy New Year.
Hello, my name is Ejin. I am 12 years old. I live in Sultan Gazi, Istanbul. My school name is Şehit Furkan Doğan İmam Hatip Secondary School. My teacher name is Rümeysa Çınar. I like gratitude. Happy New Year.